Well, as you can see, I've just managed to see this one here anyway. Because this one was an Airbus A380, that was anyway. That was the United Emirates, that is. That's the United Emirates, that is anyway, I've just seen. As you can see, that registration is A6-EOT, that is. As you can see, it's got the call sign there, which is UAE4PV, that is. And as you can see, that was the one plane fire, sorry. That was the Emirates airline, that was anyway. As you can see, that was coming from Minnow, wherever it was anyway. It was coming from whatever that name is anyway, but I can't even spell anyway. But it's coming from Minnow. It was. As you can see, yeah, as you can see, that's just came from all the way from Milan and Puglia International Airport, which I believe this one is in Busto, Everglades, or wherever it was anyway, and it is in Milan. Well, it is in Milan, that is anyway. Can't even say right anyway. That is going from Mineo to New York. That's where it's probably heading off to anyway. And that one flew in here about 36,000 feet. It was literally flew in here about 36,000 feet from here. It's literally just flew in here about 3,600,000 feet from here, which was quite high anyway. And this is, I believe, this is the one. This is the Aeroplane Livery, that is, and that's operated by the Emirates to be Emperor livery. That is, as you can see, is that colour here, as you can see anyway. If I go to that, this is what it says on there, be part of the livery, whatever it was anyway. But you can see it's just that one here I've just seen. That's one of the new livery on it anyway. It says be part of the magic. I think that's what it says anyway. Yeah, it says be part of the magic. So yeah, this is one of the newer Emirates airline that they have actually changed the colour design anyway. And as you can see, that it's going from Milan to New York. That is, and that is the Airbus A380-861. And the rate, well, obviously the rate is A6-EOT. That tells me what country rate is from anyway. Doesn't tell me where it's come from, but obviously, you know, yeah, the country doesn't tell me, unfortunately. Obviously, it is the United Emirates. It is anyway. I think that's what the country didn't say anyway. Doesn't tell me what country it's from anyway, which is absolute. Anyway, so yeah. Okay, so yep. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.